ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hai kini ke number harum.
Kesorkar jela da jing sngo sarong kala pinbit pinbiang ya jing pelai ya kot jong long tho balayo khusnam u Dr. Kinpham Singh Nongkanri ya kabala agarteng the This Days of the Earth hak jingalang kabala long ha Meghalaya Age the store ha Connaught Place New Delhi hak laipotrik jumbang arja afsau hakani kesngi na preng bala shakhot snobha la sakhilang du Commissioner and Secretary jong Sarkar Meghalaya u Dr. Vijay Kumar ke editor jong ke Penguin Random House India ke Shubhi Surana bat kui ginong thokot u Dr. Kinpham bula ai khublai ye bala shakhot skubha ke bala dan beta hakani ke program ka kerpang bat ulong bagakot ka baula tho halor ka the This Days of the Earth kan island iginong puli bakin pelai jengmut chpang ke jingedai bat kamariang ke jingket clear iwei pat bat ye jing ang nuot ka bami naladi kumanchu pentip hangni baya Dr. Kinpham Singh Nongkanri lakha kasnong sora bat ude unong tho bala pau ha poetry prose bat ki drama ha kitin khasi bat English Hakam kebarang thamai kade the This Days of the Earth bat kuntup ru ikikot bandang penmi kum ke epic novel Funeral Nights Westland and Other Stories The Yearning of Seeds poems HarperCollins Times Barter Haiku and Senryu HarperCollins bat ke Around the Earth Khasi Legends Penguin Kikamu Dr. Nongkanri kelapa ke jingshan ikikot kum ke Planet The New Welsh Review Pen International The Literary Review The Oxford Anthology of Writings nagani ka than chate lam ingi ka India bat kiwe
The book touches upon one of the folklores from Meghalaya. Of course we'll get to know more about it once we've launched it and heard from the author, but Ben, as we fondly call him, he is also excited to explore this side of the story, the folk story, and especially one of the characters I'm sure that you have based the book upon, which is Manik Raitham, who also happens to be a flautist, and so who better than Ben to be able to initiate this experience and transport us into this world of Manik Raitham. So please, Ben. Call upon our chief guest for the evening, the Commissioner and Secretary of Government of Meghalaya and the Chairman and Managing Director of Meghalaya Age, Dr. Vijay Kumar. Please come on stage, and I'd also like to invite the author and the editor from Penguin India to please come and unbox the book actually.
Once again, first congratulations to our author and the wonderful book. I look forward to reading it. I have read a part of your previous book, not the whole thing, but yeah, I will get to this. Congratulations. I want to congratulate the store team here because it's been almost a year since I came to the store. It looks, again, as usual, I think there are a few additions, but it's fabulous, and I think we have created such a wonderful space here.
He is the co-editor of The Late Blooming Cherries, Haiku Poetry from India, and Dancing Earth, an anthology of poetry from Northeast India. His awards include the Northeast Poetry Award, the Veer Shankar Shah Raghunath Shah National Award in the year 2008, a Tagore Fellowship in the year 2018, the Bangalore Review June Jazz Award in the year 2021, and the Sparrow Literary Award in the year 2022. He teaches literature at the Northeastern Hill University in Shillong. Actually, I'll read it, but can I request you to come ahead and share maybe your thoughts on how the book came about and what got you, writing this. It's a piece of fiction from what we know. So maybe just a few words as to how the journey for this book all began.
Unyoke yourself from your sister. It is her destiny to go that way, her destiny not to keep you company. You may say I am unduly fatalistic, but doesn't fatalism lead to calm acceptance? Isn't that a good thing? Why fret about something you can do nothing about?
Which is why when I started the book, I was expecting something very, very different. But when you see the execution of naturally, the women in this book still live under a frame of patriarchy. And I thought that was a very interesting tussle where you expect a matrilineal world to almost be utopian in a way. And yet patriarchy continues to plague them. Was this something that was a very active choice that you wanted to feature?
Not really, but being the story being set in a matrilineal world, so the culture, the matrilineal culture also gets reflected. And there are many reasons, why people tend when they hear about the matrilineal culture of the Khasis, they tend to think that it's some kind of a utopian, where everything is hunky-dory for women. But this is a misperception, because many of them try to equate matrilineal with patriarchy.